All right, so number three, they're giving us the two triangles. They're not even telling us they're congruent. They're just telling us that, hey, there's a triangle here, KIM, and there's a triangle here, JIL. Okay, and so I'm not even going to write that in because, it's not something that um, that really leads to anything else. I mean, it'll kind of give us a hint, but it's not something that we need to make other statements. So we don't necessarily have to put that in there. No, let's put it in anyway, just to start out with our givens, because that's always a good habit to get into. All right, change my mind. And so we want to try to prove that the measure of GKI, so GKI is equal to the measures of angle 1, right, 3, and 4. All right. So the first thing that I'm thinking of is that GKI is an exterior angle to triangle KIM, right? So because it's an exterior angle, we know that we have our triangle exterior angle theorem, which says that the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the interior angles, or the two remote interior angles, right? So the sum of the exterior angle, JKI, or GKI, I keep saying that, is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. All right, so let's say that. So we can say that, okay, well, angle GKI, the measure of angle GKI is equal to measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2, and that's a triangle exterior angle theorem. All right, and just for reference, it's I do want you to use the names and descriptions over the theorem numbers, but just for reference, it's theorem 3-12, just if you need to look at it, okay? All right, so then now I see that, okay, well, this matches up with this, but I need this to match up with this. So is there a way I can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4? So let's see if we can do that. Right, and then we'll kind of be on our way. So angle 2 is right here, and 3 and 4 are in here. So I'm realizing that, okay, well, I have this triangle here for which angle 2 is an exterior angle. So I don't even actually need the next line in the, or I don't need another number, right? I can use the same exterior angle theorem to say, well, measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4, right? For the same reason, because this is an exterior angle, right? And these are the remote interior angles, so they must add up to the exterior angle. All right, and now that we're here, we can use some substitution. I forgot angle 2 here. So I can say, okay, well, angle 2, so those match up, so I can say that I can substitute this in for measure of angle 2. All right, so I can say measure of GKI equals the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4. So I substituted this in for measure of angle 2, and so that's my reasoning, substitution, and we are done, right?